Okay, friends, how's everybody doing? Good afternoon. I'm doing a taste test on this guava. Look how big this thing is. It's pretty heavy. Let me show you how big this thing is. This is a large coffee cup. That's about about like a 24-ounce cup. So it's about the same size. And yeah, this is what it looks like from the inside, man. I just got a little piece right now, and it's let me try another little piece real quick. Here it is. It's delicious. That's what it looks like from the inside. It's kind of a little bit of white and a little bit of pink. I grew this tree from a seed about 3 years ago. So you can definitely grow trees from seed and produce fantastic guavas. Grow your own trees, people. There's nowhere in the store where you can get this kind of fruit. Fantastic. All right, God bless everybody. Take care. See you soon.